Let us learn how to write the sender's address on an envelope. 1. Start by writing the sender's name in the top left corner of the envelope. 2. Write the sender's street address, including the number and street name, on the line below the sender's name. 3. Write the sender's city, state, and zip code on the line below the street address. 4. If the sender's address includes an apartment or suite number, include it on the same line as the street address. 5. Double-check the address for accuracy before mailing the envelope. 6. Make sure that the writing is legible and clear enough to be read by the post office. Writing the recipient's address on the envelope. 1. In the center of the envelope, write the recipient's full name. Write it in a clear and legible font. 2. Below the recipient's name, write the recipient's street address. Make sure to include the house number and street name. Write it in a clear and legible font. 3. Below the street address, write the recipient's city, state and zip code. Make sure to use the correct abbreviation for the state. Write it in a clear and legible font. 4. If the recipient's address includes an apartment or suite number, include it on the same line as the street address. 5. If the recipient's address is international, include the country name on the last line. Write the country name in capital letters. 6. Double-check the address for accuracy before mailing the envelope. Make sure that the writing is legible and clear enough to be read by the post office. 7. It is always a good idea to check the format of address used in the destination country before mailing, and you can also use address verification tools available online to check the accuracy of the address before mailing. How to properly affix stamps to your mail. 1. First, determine the weight and size of your mail piece. The weight and size will determine the amount of postage required. 2. Purchase the appropriate amount of postage stamps from the post office. 3. Place the stamps on the upper right corner of the envelope or package, making sure that they are facing the correct way and are not upside down. 4. If you are using multiple stamps, arrange them in a neat and orderly manner, making sure that the denomination of each stamp is visible. 5. If you are using a metered postage, or a postage meter, it should be placed on the top right corner of the envelope or package. 6. Double-check the address and postage before mailing your mail piece, to ensure that it gets delivered to the correct address. It's also important to note that if you are mailing a package, you may need additional labeling, such as a customs form or a shipping label, depending on the destination and contents of the package.